Nice to meet you, worth it. I could show you incredible things. Magic man, 17. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like the next mistake. Love's game, wanna play. Feel my suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Made it fair.
What's up, guys? Hold on, my heater's on. Let me turn that off. Most specifically because it's beautiful out today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another vlog with you guys. It's currently Sunday, so I'm hardcore gisting, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me because I haven't filmed like a Sunday gist routine in a very long time, and I have so much shit to get together. There's gonna be packing, there's gonna be some live chats, there's gonna be some stuff for Bentley. It's just, yeah. It's gonna be a great Sunday. It's actually pretty late in the day already. It's 2 p.m. I woke up this morning. I was actually in Kingston in my hometown for my brother's birthday party. We did it a little early since I'm leaving tomorrow to go to Thailand, which I'm super excited about. So because of that reason, I was in my hometown and I just got back. Traffic was freaking nuts today. Let me just say, I'm really feeling, I was getting towards the end of that drive, like a little, you know, just like, so I decided that the first thing I wanted to do when I got home was do some yoga, hence why I switched into my yoga gear. And then I have to clean, I have to do laundry, I have to cook up a yummy ass meal because dinner. I have to meal prep for Bentley because he goes to the pet sitter as of tomorrow. I have to answer emails, I have to edit a video, I have to edit a podcast, I have to do a lot of things. Plus it's just beautiful out. It's Earth Day today. And like, I know that this isn't doing it justice, but it's freaking beautiful out. So I'm thinking that I might go hang out on my patio to do some editing. You guys remember it was the spring cleaning video where we decorated my patio, and I still haven't been able to hang out there yet because it's been so cold. So might be the first time we get to go hang out outside. Really quick, if you guys aren't following me already, be sure to check out the links below for my socials because I'm going to be in Thailand when this video goes live. So if you guys want to keep track on that, I'm going to be posting lots of Insta stories and Insta pictures. So definitely go check that out down below. And the new blog post that went up on Friday, I believe. I will also link that down below, all the good stuff, and a Thailand playlist. This is the last leg in my beach dance elephants trip. And I have a big, huge, giant announcement coming in Wednesday's video that has to do with this beach dance elephants thing I've been doing in April. So I'm really excited about that, which is some other stuff I need to prep for today. We're doing a lot of prep. Today's a lot of prep work. So feel free to grab yourself a snack, a drink, stay a while, and I also need to shave my armpits. I apologize. Nestle on in, and we'll start with some yoga and roll into some gisting, shall we?
Roads diverged in the yellow wood. I'm sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had worn them really.
You'll have to excuse my horrible bathroom lighting. This is going to be something that I think is going to be like a deal breaker for the next place I move, is that I want like a good sized bathroom with like good lighting for filming with you guys, because this, I don't know, we're working with it. Okay, so something that I like to do when I know that I'm going to be traveling and I'm kind of trying to prep myself the day before, when I'm showering, I'll note what products I'm using, and I try and put little samples, or I pack as I go from kind of like the last shower before leaving. I already wrote down on this little notebook here that I need to pick up a mini shampoo and conditioner and a mini body wash. So I'm going to run to the grocery store probably tomorrow to grab those things. After that, I put on lotion before I put my robe on. So I'm setting aside my little coconut oil, or just coconut, it's like a hand and body cream. It's one of the travel size ones. So I'm putting that aside. Then each step I kind of take from here, I just set aside what I'm going to need the travel version of, or if I'm bringing that full version, and I pack it all into this that I got this off of Amazon right before Coachella, and it's just like this travel size bag that you can roll it down, and like all your products are like easy to grab for, and then on the inside it has like pockets and stuff like that. So I just put like the smaller things in the center and the bigger things around the edge, and then I put like bobby pins and elastic in here, which also clips, funny enough, on the outside if I can get it to work, making things very accessible. So obviously I'm going to need my lotion. I'm not going to be able to bring my hair care routine with me, so I'm gonna have to improvise for the week, but that's okay. This has been my all-time favorite product. I put this in my hair every single day, and I also put a little conditioner in my hair in general because I'm gonna throw my hair in braids so that tomorrow I can just shake out the braids and wear waves like on the plane and stuff. So that's the plan. Also, praying to God I can get rid of this cold before I leave. So after I shower, I just like to spritz this all over. I even put it, I don't put it too close to the root, but I get pretty high up there because it makes my hair so easy to comb through. And when your hair, like I have really, really thick hair, so it gets tangled so easily. So this is like the only product I've found that's cruelty free that actually makes it easy to brush after I shower, especially like in the back. I just take this brush, it's like meant for wet hair, but I start from the bottom and I just brush up, which is actually super important. If you're growing out your hair, you can't just take a brush and just like go to town from the top. It's like so bad. It's so bad for your hair. I learned every trick in the book when it came to growing up my hair, and one of the biggest ones they say is to use a wide tooth comb. Mind you, I'm not doing that. But when you're brushing your hair, especially when it's wet, you have to like start from the bottom, work the knots out, and then go up. Normally now I would wash my face, but I just washed my face in the shower, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pack my face wash. And then after washing my face, I would put on face cream. So lately the face cream I've been using is this one here. It's the Biotherm Aqua Gel. It's actually like a bit of a tanner. Like it's not, it doesn't come out tan. I'll put some on my face now, but that's the color it comes out, so it's not too dark. But it basically just like naturally adds pigment to your color as it kind of develops on your skin. That's the only way I can think of to describe it. I also have like the body tanner. It's like a mist. So I'm also gonna do this too because I have a bit of a tan still from Coachella, but I'm not gonna bring my tanner with me. That way if I do get any sun, it just is kind of like, it just prolongs that little color rather than going there and burning to a crisp. I like having a little bit of a sun-kissed look. I feel like it looks cute with clothes and like bathing suits. Don't know why we haven't had this on the whole time. Such a vibe. You guys are truly getting me in my GYST glory. And give you guys a little example of just kind of like how I set up my editing station or my workstation when I'm gonna have a bigger chunk of work to do. I find just like setting out some pillows, setting out like the stuff that I need, and then just kind of, oh, we forgot to burn a candle too. And just kind of create like a vibe for sitting down and working, especially days like today where I have a lot of stuff to do, because I find that if I just try and sit down and do it, I get distracted super easily versus when I create kind of like a space, even if it's just for a couple hours and then I'm gonna put everything away, it kind of helps me get almost into that mindset that I'm trying to get get things done. So this would also be really good if you guys have to like study something, or if there's anything that you have to work on that you're working on from home. It could even be if you just wanna stop watching like so much TV and just section off like an hour every day or so to work on a blog or to work on a hobby or something. I find if you create a space, and it doesn't need to be like the most glorious office space in the world. I have an office, but to be honest, I actually prefer working out here. So just taking my coffee table, like lighting up a candle, grabbing my glasses and my headphones, putting my bullet journal to the side in case there's any ideas or notes that I need to take while I'm working. And then I just like open up my laptop and get what I need to done. And then all I do is I take my phone and I punch out different clockworks of time to get things done. So for instance, the video I have to edit, it's probably gonna take me a total of like 3 hours to finish. So instead of doing all 3 hours right away and just sitting on my couch, I created this little space and then I do an hour, and then after an hour I'm gonna take a break, do something else, come back at it for an hour, do something else, and then come back at it for an hour, and then I'll be done for the night. So welcome to my office of the night. I currently have to edit a vlog that goes live and another video too that's going up while I'm away. So those are the 2 little things that I need to work on really quickly. So I'm gonna punch out a quick hour of editing and then we'll touch base from there. As for my favorite part of the night, I'm gonna make myself some dinner. Something that I really like to do, especially right before I travel anywhere, is to try and make up a dish that uses all of the stuff that's gonna go bad in my fridge while I'm gone. So I still have quite a few, I think I have quite a few veggies. Got some tofu to use up, some veggies to roast, I guess. Definitely gonna need to use up these. We got a whack ton of potatoes here, which I guess I don't really need to cook all of these, that was a bit aggressive. And we have pita bread, which is probably gonna go bad while I'm away. So maybe if I do a PB&J later, one with hummus for dinner, or like an after dinner, and then make 4 sandwiches tomorrow. I don't know, we'll figure something out with this one. So I'm gonna try and use up as much of this stuff as I can. That way I'm not wasting and nothing's going bad while I'm away, because I'm gone for a week. So it also makes it nice because as soon as I get home, I get to go grocery shopping and my whole fridge is just like already clean and just like prepped and ready for food. So normally Sundays are my takeout day, but because I know I'm leaving tomorrow and I'm probably gonna be eating, like obviously not at home for a week, we're gonna get creative. Recipe we're about to invent right now.
Been a good day, but I still struggle to know right from wrong. To still don't be singing the song. Yeah, I still struggle not to get too high, not to get too low, not to get too drunk when the night is old. You know, I may never change. Oh, grace.
Poured myself a glass of wine, and I have like 20 pages left of Eat, Pray, Love, so I'm gonna finish this off really quick before I take a nap, grab some dinner, and then hit the flight because it's a red-eye flight, so I don't leave until midnight tonight. I also just dropped off Bentley. I always get like a little weird and a little sad after I drop off Bentley, but I really like the girl that's watching him this time, and I feel like a lot more comfortable than other times that I've left him. So I feel like hopefully if things go well, we'll be a regular with this girl, or she'll be like his primary caretaker whenever I'm away. And still, it's always a little bittersweet dropping Bentley off before going on a trip. I'm like an anxious mom, you know? So that about sums up how I like to gist and prepare for a trip. I ran out of time last night to pack because I was up editing and trying to get some work done that was going to go up while I'm away in Thailand. The only other thing that I like to do that I didn't include in this video, and it's probably something I'm going to do before I hit the flight and while I eat my dinner, is just take out my journal and kind of write down just kind of my intentions for the trip. I think I'm just going to post what I need to post and then kind of shut down my phone for the day and just explore and be away from those things. There's also a big project that I'm going to be working on while I'm there that I'm going to tell you guys in the vlog. So, and ultimately I'm just, you know, I'm not going to wear makeup, I'm not going to do my hair, I just want to like go and I want to meditate and do yoga and work on this project and pet an elephant, come back feeling refreshed. So that is my intention of this trip, and I'm gonna basically write a little entry to myself about that. That said, I feel like it's probably really hard for you guys to hear me right now, and I have some pages to finish up with Eat, Pray, Love before I can take a nap so I don't die on this red eye. So thank you guys so much for gisting with me, travel edition. Any future related gist style videos, because I want to make gist videos a full series. So if you guys have any requests for the gist series, leave them down below. I can do baking, cleaning, organizing, all the fun stuff. So just let me know, and I'll see all of you guys on Wednesday in my Thailand vlog. It's the beauty of pre-filming. For me, it's still so far away, but for you guys, it's like 3 days. Bye guys.